How's it going, guys? It's Jacob here with our 2014 Honda CTX700N. This is the manual version. Very cool bike, a little unique. This bike does come with the windshield and also the Jivy rear top case, which is pretty big. It'll hold a full-size helmet. Overall, fresh oil, new filter, good tires, front fender's in pretty good shape. Now, something about this bike was laid over on its right side in a parking lot. The previous owner was actually one of our old bookkeepers, and we've known this bike since it's had 0 miles on it, which is kind of cool. On the headlight here, you can see some damage, some scrape there, a little bit on the windshield, all cosmetic stuff. Come up here to the lever, the mirror. These guys here, these tanks are actually a plastic cover. You can kind of see here they got a pretty good whack right there. Something that we can definitely have replaced, but you know, again, it's just all cosmetic. And the last piece of real damage was right here to the exhaust cover. But other than that, this bike's got some pretty low miles on it. Was never abused. It was just, again, laid over in a parking lot from a new rider learning to ride this thing. And we got the rear tire, again, good tread. You guys can come check out this bike any day of the week here at the Helmet Center. We're located on 43rd Avenue in Union Hills. Big GD top case. Chain is in very good condition as well. The left side's all pretty much untouched, nice and clean. Like I said, low miles. I got here 2939. We'll fire up real quick. Very light, nimble bike. Good acceleration on these things. And right now we got it listed up for $44.88. You guys can always get more details on our website at HCPowersports.com, or you can always give us a call here at the Helmet Center. Our phone number is 623-444-4789. Thanks, guys.